What is the pollution? It effect of undesirable changes in our surrounding that have harmful effects on the plants and human beings. The pollution is the effect of undesirable changes in our surrounding that have harmful effect. And what is the pollutant? The pollutant pollutions. There are two types of pollutants, primary and the secondary. Primary pollutants that emitted directly from the identical sources. These are mainly different type of gases. And the secondary pollutant, when the chemical reactions take place between the primary pollutant, these are called secondary pollutants. Now there are different type of pollutions. These are air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution. One by one we discuss all the pollutions. First one is air pollution. Due to the presence of undesirable solids or gaseous particles in the air. Generally what happen? Atmosphere contains 78% of the nitrogen, 21% of the oxygen, 0.8% arsenic, 0.003% of carbon dioxide, and some solid particles and the water vapors. These are some sources. These are some sources of the water pollutants. These are some sources of water pollutant, and their effects of the air pollution. Mainly air pollution just because of the many type of gases and the organic compound. These gases are carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxides of nitrogen, oxides of sulfur, hydrocarbons, etc. So these are the factors that cause air pollution. The effects of the air pollution: global warming, ozone depletion, acid rain, and many respiratory disorders. Increase the concentration of the different gases such as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxide of nitrogens, oxides of sulfur, methane, etc. These are the gases. When highly in concentration, then they trap the infrared radiation, and the temperature of the environment is very high. It is called global warming. What are the effect of the global warming? First one is increase sea level water, melting polar ice, imbalance of globule ecosystem. Next effect of the air pollution is ozone depletion. Ozone layer mainly made up of atmospheric oxygen. It is present in the upper stratosphere zone. It prevents UV rays of the sunlight. Just because of the chlorofluorocarbon and some halogens is affected. These compounds attack on the ozone layer, and ozone depletions are sunburn, cataract, and skin cancer. Another effect of the air pollution is acid rain. When the pH of the acid rain is 5.4 or less than 5.4. Another pollution is water pollution. When position change directly or indirectly, it is said there are many sources or there are of the water pollution. The effect of the water pollution are malaria, cholera, typhoid, and water pollution severely affected aquatic animals and the another pollution is soil pollution. Soil is the covering of the land. It is the mixture of minerals, organic material, living organism, air and water. The causes of the soil pollution: soil degradation, deforestation, use of the fertilizers, due to this the fertility of the land is destroyed. The effect of the soil pollution: man cannot be farming just because of just because of the land is not fertilized. Groundwater will also affected. Another pollution is noise pollution. Unwanted or undesirable voice or unwanted and undesirable sound is called noise. These are the sources of the noise pollution, and the effects of the noise pollutions are sleeping disturbances, loss of hearing, high blood pressure, and many problems in the vision. There are some common industrial pollutants that are produced by the industry. These are mainly organic chemicals: sulfuric acid, nitric acid, cyanide, formaldehyde, isocyanides, different type of gases. These are the industrial pollutants that produce and infect or that pollute of the environment. Common domestic pollutants that used some items we can use, while some items we used in the our air freshener. It contain chlorofluorocarbon and formaldehyde. Bleach, it contain ammonia and hypochlorite. Disinfectant, it contain hypochlorite and the phenols. Drain cleaner, it contain sodium hydroxide and the potassium hydroxide. These are the pollutants that produce the items we used in daily. Now the heavy metals. Heavy metals are naturally present on the earth. They have high atomic volume, they have high atomic weight and higher density, as well as higher specific gravity. They cannot be degradable or destroyed. You know Some heavy metals that are copper, selenium, zinc, magnesium, aluminium, these are essential to maintain the metabolism. These are sorry, some heavy metals that copper, selenium, zinc, these are essential to maintain the metabolism of human body. These heavy metals are dangerous by just because of they accumulated in the body, and the amount of the accumulation is higher to compare the excretion of this heavy metals. So heavy metal poisoning is caused by the accumulation of metals in the body due to the exposure of food, water, chemicals and other sources. There are many heavy metals like lead, zinc, mercury, aluminium, arsenic, etc. Lead is the most common environmental poison. Sources are paint, lead pipes, newspaper, Xerox copies, cigarette, etc. These are the sources of lead. Lead chromate is also used as a adulterant. Battery repair, soldering, painting, printing are the occupations prone to get lead poisoning. Lead poisoning, also called plumbism. When the accumulation of the lead in the body over the month or the years, it is generally not biodegradable. It's seen in bones, 9% in blood and 1% in brain or in the kidney. It crosses the placenta and it also present in the breast milk in a pregnant lady. It is the most common inorganic compound that is found in everywhere: water, air, soil and food. Symptoms of the lead poisoning are developmental delays, abdominal pain, neurological changes, irritability, vomiting, constipations. The normal range of the lead in the body is less than 10 microgram per dl. More than 10 microgram per dl in adults, it is called lead poisoning. The action of lead, particularly on different two enzymes, that is delta ALA dehydratase. These enzymes involved in the heme synthesis, so lead inhibit these two enzymes and leading to anemia. Dimercaptosuccinic acid. These are the antidotes for use in the treatment lead toxicity. Mercury poisoning or It is the most common industrial poison. The sources of the mercury poisoning mainly three: elemental, inorganic, and the organic. The sources of mercury: paint, plastic, electrical apparatus, medical apparatus. Okay. Elemental mercury or and inorganic mercury: inhalation of mercury vapor from the broken apparatus, that is thermometer or sphygmometer, or from the dental amalgam. The symptoms are oral lesions, tremors, psychological changes. These are the hallmark of chronic elemental mercury poisoning. It is also called arrhythmias. And the acute mercury poisoning symptoms are gastritis, vomiting, pulmonary edema, and encephalopathy. This is the another disease. It is called acrodynia, also called disease. It is mainly due to the direct exposure of the inorganic mercury. Another poisoning is organic mercury poisoning. Generally, you can see from the industries inorganic or elemental mercury waste produced and mixing in the water sources. In the water sources, some bacteria and some viruses, they convert inorganic mercury into the organic mercury, that is methyl mercury. This methyl mercury enter in fish and these kind of fish eating by the human. So the organic mercury, that is methyl mercury, enter into the human body this methyl mercury not destroy even cooking, is called Minamata disease. The classical symptom methyl mercury exposure are ataxia, dysrhythmia, and visual field constriction. The normal range of mercury is less than 1 microgram per dl. The diagnosis of mercury poisoning by urine sample and hair analysis. Hair analysis is more reliable. Some antidotes of the mercury poisoning are dimercaprol derivatives, penicillamine. Treatment of mercury poisoning. Another one is arsenic poisoning. Most common cause of heavy metal poisoning in the adults. Sources are pesticides, paint, tobacco smoke, seafood, etc. Inorganic arsenic is more harmful compared to the organic arsenic. It absorbed by the GI tract and accumulated in the body fluids, tissue, and in nails and in the hairs. It inhibits mainly two enzymes, glutathione reductase and pyruvate, and it also affects on the dilation, especially cytochrome oxidase. It is highly carcinogenic. It also induces atherosclerosis and hemolytic anemia. Here you can see its chronic toxicity. These are dementia, impairment, hair loss, hypertension, and the myocardial infarction. Severe kidney and liver damage, skin and means lines, palmar keratosis, appearance of small cones, mild lines. It is mainly present in the fingernails, white lines. Aluminum toxicity. The sources of aluminum toxicities are cooking containers, building materials, paints, and some cosmetics. It produces free radicals in the body. It prevents calcium, phosphorus, and iron absorption. So, due to calcium, the prevention of the calcium absorption, osteomalacia occur in the aluminum toxicity due to iron deficiency, microcytic, and other manifestations occur. Aluminum toxicity also involved in Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's disease. Another poisoning is cyanide poisoning. Cyanide, you all know, it is a famous poison. It is found many edible food. It is also produced in the metabolism in human body. What is the role of the cyanide on the human body? Cyanide bind with the ferric ions of the cytochrome oxidase and the water. That is the final step of the oxidative phosphorylation. Ultimately block the cellular respiration. After that, cellular hypoxia and depletion of the ATP, leading to metabolic acidosis. treatment of the cyanide toxicity. Here we can use an antidote, that is dicobalt acetate. The function of dicobalt is the cyanide. Another two chemical we can use for the treatment of this cyanide toxicity. These are sodium nitrite and sodium thiosulfate. Convert the hemoglobin into the matte hemoglobin, and the ferric ion of the matte take up the cyanide as cyan matte hemoglobin. So cytochrome oxidase is free from cyanide. The effect of cyanide is very high, so death is instant and available for the treatment. It is true. Now there are different type of pesticides and insecticides. First one is DDT. It is a pesticide. It control and peanut pets. It is fat soluble and it is deposited into the adipose tissues. It is banned in many countries, but in India it is not banned. DDT cause nervous irritability, muscle cramps and convulsions. Now organophosphorus compounds. These are the common pesticides. Parathion and malathion are the powerful neurotoxic agents. They inhibit acetylcholine esterase, so accumulation of acetylcholine and transfer of nerve impulse across synapses is prevented. Antidote of these neurotoxic agents: some contamination occurring during cultivations. This is due to the pesticides, and these are the Aspergillus flavus and ergot. These are the fungus that grow in the moist condition. Due to the Aspergillus flavus, Aspergillus flavus produces aflatoxin chemical, which are carcinogenic and hepatotoxic. Ergot. This fungus produces ergotamine, ergotoxin and ergometrine. It causes gangrene and muscle cramps in the extremities. This disease called ergotism. Toxins normally present in plant. Generally, first one is goitrogens. The function of the coatrogens, they prevent iodine uptake or utilization by the thyroid gland. The chemicals are polyphenolic glycosides. It is present in the red skin of the groundnut and the almond. Thiocyanate and isothiocyanates. It is present in the mustard oil or other oil seeds. Antivitamins, they prevent the function or the formation of the vitamins. Orange peel, it contains citral chemical that inhibit activity. Blackberries, they contain thiaminase which destroy vitamin A. Raw egg, it contains avidin protein. Linseed oil, it contains lanthanum and it interfere the utilization of pyridoxine. They contain some cyanogenic compounds. After hydrolysis, they produce hydrocyanic acid that is very toxic, but these toxins can be removed by the cooking or removing by the supernatant of water. Another one is Favisp in broad hemolymph, because deficiency of 6-phosphate dehydrogenase. Another contamination during food processing. Mineral oils. Mineral oils have minerals or oils are mainly and carcinogen, and it has properties. Adulterants means lithyrism. It is characterized by the paralysis of lower limbs. It is seen in the person who consuming large quantity of khesri dal. Khesri dal generally mixed with the ordinary dal, and the persons who intake large quantity of these khesri dal, some neurotoxins in the body. These are neurotoxins that can damage the upper motor neurons, and the main chemical is beta oxyl amino alanine. It inhibits lysyl oxidase, result cross-link. Another adulterant, that is arachidonic oil. It is mixed with the mustard oil. It is extracted from the wild plant. It contains which cause vomiting, diarrhea, cardiac failure, dropsy. So this is all about the environmental pollution and heavy metal poisoning. You just wait. Another class taken by the Gujarat sir.